Someone who can't sleep because they are worried, that is a dreamer. The reason why your dream came true is because you dreamt it. We need to have a wall in the fourth dimension that cannot be jumped over. My grades were poor when I was in school. There were guys with high grades in my class. The type of students that get into the best universities. How did they get almost perfect exam scores? There were kids with abilities that I couldn't even imagine. But at class reunions, they would say I am doing the best. I was wondering what the difference was between them and I. I was always thinking about things, unrealistic and crazy ideas, so I didn't really get good grades, to be honest. My title is a dream. Dream. Nowadays, people who think strange things are considered dreamers. When translating the word vision in Chinese, it translates as Mong Xiang. After quitting my salaryman life, I launched an internet department store, but I was way too ahead of the times. It was launched in 1999, when the internet was not common, and many of you didn't have a PC in your homes. Alibaba was born back then, with me. I think I made it a little better though. Alibaba secured lots of money to withstand the difficult times. After 3 years of enduring, I completely fell apart, totally ruined. So where did I go? To a single room rental. I started from the bottom, like this. The company, now called Atomy, was back on its feet. Atomy is a company that was actually made by a single vision. I gathered 17 people in Iksan and told them that this company will make you rich. If you become a royal master, you will receive 50 million won a month, 300 million won if you become a crown master, 1 billion won if you become an imperial master. I was very worried. How heavy is 1 billion won? So I counted that money all night long. Not that I counted 1 billion, but I had 1 million won. I put 1 million won on an electric scale, then multiplied it and got the weight of 1 billion. After the calculation, it was more than 100 kilograms, about 110 kilograms. Then I started to worry, how can I give 110 kilograms to someone on a stage? I'm gonna break my back, and then how will they carry it out? I was so worried about this 1 billion won that I didn't have. How can I give it to them? There was no one to receive it yet. I couldn't sleep because I was worried. This is a dreamer. When I first launched, I had absolutely nothing. I only had used a minivan worth 2.8 million won. Perhaps some of you already heard this, but it is true. I also couldn't pay my taxes. But yesterday, the mayor of Gwangju City gave me a prize saying that I am the king of paying taxes, since I paid the most local taxes in the city. I couldn't believe it, but 20 to 25% of Gwangju City's finance budget comes from Atomy. Even though we started out so poor, we became so big because we had this dream all along. In our early days, I was losing my voice because I was yelling, "You can make money. You can be successful." People heard me but did not believe me. But now, Atomy is a company that has spread all over the world. What's more pleasing is that Atomy is loved so much abroad. How did such a dream happen? It is because of a dream. Plant a dream in your head and systemically write a life scenario and truly immerse yourself in that life scenario. When you do this, some might ask, what world are you living in? Why? People who lack a sense of reality are asked what world they are living in. You need to be in another world, another universe. Why? Even if you live realistically and sanely now, life itself is really hectic. How can you, with a sound mind, really live the life you want? You have to envision the life you want to live in the future and make that future a reality. So when others see you, you will be living in another reality. He's otherworldly. He's not living on this planet. We need to go past this reality in order to succeed. So in 3 years, 5 years, or 10 years, I truly hope that everyone is living the life of a successful person. I hope you will.